Hi guys, today we are working on 2020 Ford Fusion. The engine has been shaking badly, so we are going to replace the motor mount. To do that, we need here's a new motor mount that I bought on Amazon, and to replace this, we need to remove this bolt. They are all 18 millimeter. They are, I think, four of them. Actually, it's five of them. We need to replace five of them. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. There's one at the bottom here. Make sure that you use a piece of wood and a jack to hold the engine, because later on we're gonna lift the engine up a little bit to support it with the jack and replace the mount. So okay, and then now we just have these two left. Let me see if I can do this quickly. Have 18 here. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna jack up the engine a little bit. Okay. And then I will go ahead and remove this mount. And that's it. There you have it. And then you can see that the old mount is moving pretty bad. It's not supposed to be doing that. So we just install this new one. See. Alright, so we just go ahead and bolt it down. And that should be it. If you have any question, please leave in a comment. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you.